Hey guys, welcome back. So in this exercise we're going to work with the text effect. So go ahead and try in Adobe Express. So we're just going to create something really simple. Okay, really simple. So text effect. Perfect. Now we don't want to use the wool this time, so we're just going to delete this guy. Delete him. Okay, delete him. Perfect. Now I'm just going to add my text. The first one I'm going to add is glitter. Okay, and then let's add glitters. So I want to just have the words gold glitters. Okay, gold glitters. So let's add another text. This will be gold. Perfect. Now just going to change the text font. So let's try this font and see. Yeah, let's try this font. Boost up the size. Could resize it with the bounding box here, just like this. Good. So gold glitters. And for glitters we also need to change the font style or the font. So for glitters, let's try something different. But on the general, we want to use fonts that are thick because we are going to be adding text effects, okay, and we really want that to stand out. Okay, this is not good. Let's just use something else. Okay, not bad, but I think it's not very clear. If we add the effect, it might not look good. Okay, so you can see that as I select the font, Adobe keeps installing the fonts on my computer. So the fonts that I don't have, it just keeps installing them on my computer. Really, I don't think we need to stress about the glitters font because there are so much fonts here, and we might not really finish if we want to really select a font, okay, out of the many. There are many good fonts. So for glitters, I think I should use one of these layout styles. Let's try this and see. Glitters. Okay, let's see. Gold glitters. Okay, I think we'll just use the default. Okay, we'll just use the default because we want to kind of see our text as much as possible, and this bow is not just giving us that ability. Select everything, just arrange them better. Now for gold, I'm going to go ahead and add the gold drip text effect. Okay, and then for glitters, I'm just going to go ahead and add the glitter text effect. So view all, and then now we want to add this pink glitter, so click on pink glitter, and yep, let's wait for it to load. Go back. Yes, so you can see gold glitters. Now this font is having something weird happening here. Maybe I'll just change the font. Yeah, I don't like how it's looking with the glitters. Okay, so let's try using the same font as gold and see. Yeah, and actually there's no harm using the same font. It just looks good. It looks good. there isn't any harm using the same font. So we could go ahead and maybe make some adjustments to our effect. Maybe choose other result variations, right? So we have this first one selected. Now let's see what we get with this one. So select this guy. Yeah, not bad. Let's see this one. Yeah, and this looks even better. I like the grip in here, the gold grips, right? I like it here. So I'm just going to work with this one. And for the glitters, let's see what we have to work with. So we are presently using this guy here. Let's go ahead and select this one. So you can see that this one gives it a kind of 3D look around the edges. Yeah, so I think this works just fine. Gold glitters. So we can go ahead and change the background if you want. Let's use, so we could use black, we could use, I think white will just do the job. So go ahead and download. Yeah, and then PNG. Download. Okay guys, so as you can see, we now have our text effects. I'm going to have this added to the folder so you have access to it. And that's it for our exercise on text effects in Firefly. See you in the next video. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.